So yeah, upon a first impression, this is certainly very nice. And I wasn't expecting to get it anytime soon, but literally at the time of filming, it came in just today. Yeah, it's a very nice product. Oh, look at that, even twists there. That's cool. Yeah. And of course, just clear up my mess a bit. Comparisons have to be made between past sonic screwdrivers. Oh, you got the crackle effect from this one. You got a similar design to this one here, the 11th. And of course to 12. And this 55 reminds me a bit of a laser screwdriver. And of course, just like how Matt's does, opens up there. And I have to say, how did that then? Yeah, this is very nice. I love it. And I definitely recommend getting you guys one for yourself if you're able to. I got mine from the TheWhoShop. So yeah, that's an unboxing. Going to run down of this for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I've enjoyed unboxing it, especially as I just was not expecting to get this today, as I say. Yeah, that's this video. And until the next one, this is Captain Conroy signing out.